Being asked to speak about crazy patchwork and embellishment is an absolute treat for me. It's like being given a sweet in a candy store. I have the tack line on top now, and I leave roughly a centimetre, third of an inch, and you'll see almost immediately that this takes on a completely different look. Tiny buttons and a selection of them along one of the edges would look good, or displayed in the middle. This central fabric, by the way, was actually white, and I've put the piece of fabric there to show you. It's a good example of coffee dyed. Here I've done a simple trellis, a very fine trellis, but I've done little metallic French knots into each little gap, just to create a pattern, and it's created effectively another piece of fabric.